Hello traders, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you some setup on what we are going to look at during this week. The currency we're going to trade on during this week. Okay, so firstly let's see EURJPY. EURJPY is in a strong uptrend now. You can see the clear, very strong uptrend, very strong uptrend for the EURJPY. So I'm seeing the trend zones. That means we should look for any setup here. Then you start selling the EURJPY here to this level. So we should start selling the EURJPY once we got a good setup on EURJPY to this level. So EURJPY is a signal for sell. So look for a signal for sell or look for a setup sell setup on EURJPY. Okay. AUD USD, the trend is still up, but let's see what's going to happen here. And we can clearly see a pattern, head and shoulder pattern here. First shoulder, head, then second shoulder. Then again, this is a sign the market will still go more up. So in this kind of situation, we are expecting after the buyers break this neckline. If the buyers break this neckline, so and there's a retest of this neckline, then we should expect a buyers movement to this level. So that means we should expect a buy setup after this break of this trend of this neckline. After the break of this trend line, so we should expect a buy setup. If this bullish candle cross this trend line, that means we should expect a buy setup after the break of this trend line, this neckline. Then we buy the market up to this level here. Okay. Then USD CAD, the trend is uptrend. I'm seeing a pullback. Okay, I think a pullback because of this area here, because of this level. Maybe the breakout, then the pullback. Okay, so that means there's a pullback to test the trend line. So in this case, we are buying if the market will still go down, we are buying the USD CAD, USDJPY for a while. Okay, so if the market should come back and test this trend line, then we are buying the USDJPY. So we look for a buy setup on USDJPY. Then USD CAD. USD CAD, we can also see head and shoulder pattern. Head, first shoulder, the head, second shoulder. So we are seeing head and shoulder pattern. And after the head and shoulder pattern, we see a strong uptrend toward the resistance zones. Now the market now is trying to retrace. So in this kind of situation, we should be expecting to buy GBPCAD at this time. That is buying GBPCAD with a good buying setup here at this level to reach this level. So we are buying GBPCAD at any moment. Let me check. Okay, so we are buying GBPCAD Okay, so we are buying GBP CAD with a good buying setup to this level or this level. So we look for a good buying setup on GBP CAD, then we should start buying GBP CAD. Okay, these are the setup that we have, the setup analysis that I have for this week. So on EURJPY, we should expect a downside to this trend line. Then AUD USD, once the candle, the buyers break this neckline, then we should expect a pullback, then finally a continuation to this area, to this resistance zone. Okay, then USDJPY seems to be a buy signal. So that means if the sellers come back and retest the level because the trend is up, then we can start buying the USDJPY. Then GBP CAD also is trying to, it has break the trend line. Now there's a pullback to retest the trend line. Now after this candle, so we should look for a buying setup on GBP CAD. Then you start buying the market. These are setup, these are no signal. Okay, so don't take it as signal. These are setup, these are not signal. So I just want to upload this video to make you to teach you how to analyze the market as well. So if you want to learn price action, you contact me, you check my video description for my contact details. So if you want to learn, you contact me directly. And again, I want you to take the trades with your own risk management. So I'm not forcing any one of you to trade. I'm not giving signals, but I'm giving you analysis. These are analysis, but you can still pick up some trades here. You can still pick up some setup. Okay, these are just analysis, not signal. So don't say I'm giving you signal. I'm not giving you signal. These are just analysis, not signal. So you look for a good setup, then where you can buy and where you can sell, because this is what the market is doing now. So it's showing the signal for buy, it's showing the signal for sell. Then for you to look for a buy setup and a sell setup. Okay, so this is the pair I'm going to trade during this week. Okay, so if you like my video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.